What's happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit Day number 352. I'm at Clive's. I'm just getting some work done, but I thought I'd have to try some of this bad boy we just got in, the Esquimalt Rosemary and Grapefruit Amaro Spritz. We just got a couple of cases in. We've got a beautiful patio, so it's like, this is what is needed for today. So, this is one of Esquimalt's brand new products, and it's basically a bottled cocktail in essence, and which is fantastic. They're a wine, before any of the craft distillers cut me, they're a wine license, so they can do cool things like this. So, fermenting wildflower, mead, completely dry, and then adding fresh grapefruit wines, rosemary, a touch of wormwood and quinine, and then bubble the crap out of it. Fantastic. 6.9%. I think this is going to be summer. Ooh, super dry. I was expecting just a hint of sweetness, but really, really dry. The rosemary and grapefruit are on point. You get the wormwood and quinine, that little hint of bitterness that you would expect from an Amaro Spritz. Super crushable, really dry, not a lot of residual sweetness whatsoever. Number 352, the Amaro Spritz from Esquimalt Wine Company. It's going to be summer in a glass for the season. Thanks always for support, guys. See you later. Bye.